Welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast, a simple, friendly place to learn AI one clear lesson at a time. Today's episode begins with a question almost every beginner has asked at least once. So, let's jump right into listener questions.
Listener questions.
This week's listener question comes from Kate. Kate asks, will AI take my job? This is one of the most common concerns people have right now. So let's break it down clearly, honestly, and in a way that actually helps. Here's the short answer. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces tasks. Most jobs are a mix of things like writing, planning, organizing, researching, talking to others, and decision-making. AI is very good at maybe 10 to 20% of those tasks. But it's nowhere near replacing the whole role, the human part. What AI does replace is friction, the busy work, the repetitive tasks, the stuff that's boring, and the stuff that slows you down. And the people who learn to use AI, even a little, become more productive, more valuable, and more secure than ever. So the real risk isn't AI taking your job. It's not learning how to work with AI, and that's something anyone can fix. Okay, with that in mind, here's something practical we can chat about in today's Hot Tip section.
AI Hot Tip.
This week's AI Hot Tip is a 5-minute daily habit that strengthens your job security better than anything else. Here's how it works. Step 1. Open your preferred AI tool. It could be ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Grok, it doesn't matter. Step 2. Ask one simple question. What is one way AI can help me with my work today? Step 3. Try the suggestion that it gives you, even if it's just for a minute or two. Just test it, even if it's small. It could be rewriting an email, summarizing a meeting, generating ideas, organizing a plan, improving wording, brainstorming a solution. That's it. 5 minutes. But by doing this daily, you start to build AI intuition. And by practicing every day, you're discovering what's really useful for your job. At the same time, you become someone who adapts quickly. People with even basic AI knowledge are the ones who stay relevant and often get promoted. This tiny habit makes you AI-proof because it builds a skill that your workplace will increasingly depend on.
Optimistic AI thought of the week.
All right, now to our final segment, Optimistic AI Thought of the Week. Here's something worth remembering. AI doesn't replace people who learn, it supports them. The more curious you are, even in small daily moments, the more valuable you become in an AI-powered world. You don't need to master everything. You just need to stay willing to learn one small step at a time. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, you can explore more at aibeginner.net. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next episode.